Check engine light on. Is your OBD2 scanner showing a P0401 code for EGR Flow Insufficient? Don't waste hundreds of dollars replacing parts unnecessarily. In this video, I'll show you two simple DIY fixes to resolve the P0401 code in minutes using just about $4 worth of cleaner. Let's get started. If you're dealing with a P0401 error code, this video will guide you through two practical at-home solutions to fix it. First, use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0401 code. This code indicates that the engine control module has detected insufficient exhaust gas recirculation. Essentially, the system expects a specific flow through the EGR valve when commanded to open, but isn't receiving it, which suggests a blockage or a faulty component. Here are two simple, cost-effective DIY methods you can try to resolve this issue yourself. Method A, the EGR valve. Looking at the engine from the front, you can find the EGR valve towards the rear, located just to the right of the engine center. To begin, carefully remove the EGR valve from your engine bay. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill the port with a high-quality carbon cleaner or penetrating solvent. Let it soak for about 5 hours to allow the solution to dissolve the carbon buildup. Once the valve has been cleaned and is completely dry, reinstall it in your vehicle. If the unit is too heavily clogged or damaged to be restored, you should simply replace it with a new one. Method B, the intake manifold. The intake manifold sits atop the engine, serving as a critical component in the combustion process by distributing the air-fuel mixture evenly to each cylinder. Next, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Be sure to work slowly and keep track of all bolts and gaskets, as this is a precise process. Use a suitable intake cleaner or degreaser to break down the carbon buildup inside the manifold. Wipe it thoroughly to ensure all residue is completely removed. Once the manifold is clean and dry, carefully reinstall it back onto the engine. Once the repair is complete, open the Zeus app to clear the error code. Then tap the rescan button to verify that the system is clear and your vehicle is running perfectly. If this video helped you fix your P0401 engine code, hit that like button, subscribe for more OBD2 code fixes, DIY car repairs, and money-saving mechanic tips. Comment below with your vehicle make and model if you need help diagnosing your code.